Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and now here you will find notifications. Click on it, and here as you see you find your notification settings, and you can manage it as you want. And that's it. That's how to find notification settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.